Alright, today we're working on subtraction using base 10s. So it's just another strategy that really helps. How about if we had the number 321? And I know I got started quick, so if you don't have a piece of paper, you will be turning this in, so you need to go get it. And we're going to subtract 165. You make sure to write it down. We're not writing it crooked. Our holes are on the left side. The thick white is at the top. You're putting your name. Okay, I want you to write subtraction using base 10. And then I want you to write this problem. So 321 minus 165. We're taking away from our hoe. So our hoe is 300. So I'm going to draw 3 squares because that's our 3 flats in our base 10 blocks. Then how many 10s? We have 2 10s, so I'm going to draw 2 10s. And we have 1 1, so I'm going to draw 1 1 right there. This is 321. And if I'm taking it away, that means I always think about money on this because when I'm doing subtraction, so I don't get confused. If I have $321, I'm going to be losing 165 because I'm looking for the answer. Remember, the answer of a subtraction problem is called the difference. Absolutely, it's called the difference. So, can I take 5 ones away? No, I can't. So I'm going to have to unbundle this 10 here. So I'm going to draw my arrow and circle it. And I like putting them into 10 frames. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember, if you have 10 and you cash it in for 10 more, you can't keep them both. So I always scribble them out real good so I don't mess up my math. So now what I have done, I come over here to my problem. I have took away or unbundled one of my 10s. And now instead of 1 10, I've got 10, 11, I've got 11 ones. Now I can take 5 away. I always take away from the ones that I have before I get to my 10 frame. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 6 ones left. Now, can I take 6 10s away? I cannot. So I'm going to have to unbundle 100. And in 100, we have 10 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 10s in 100. So I've used it, so it's going to be disappearing. That means I don't have 300s anymore. I have 200s. And I don't just have this one 10. I've got 10, 11. So I've got 11 10s. I wish I'd have left me some more room right there. So I've got 11 10s. Now I can take away 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 5 left. I need to take away 1 100. So then I have 1 100 left. This is subtracting using base 10. Let's try another one. Make sure you're staying on the lines, guys. Alright, so let's write down. We're going to write down 543 minus 265. And draw my line. Very neat. Now I've got to build my number because I'm looking for the difference. Because it's subtraction, the difference. I'm going to have to build my whole, which is 543. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. You see where I'm staying on my lines. I'm not going crazy. There's 500s. Now I need my 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tens. And I need my ones. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. Now I have built the number 543. Now I have to take 5 ones away. Can I take 5 ones away? I cannot take 5 ones away. So that means I've got to unbundle a 10. So now I'm going to circle a 10, and I'm going to make a 10 frame. Draw my arrow, and I'm going to have to draw 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. So I cashed in one of my 10s, so now I have 3 10s, and I have 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. 13 ones. Now I can take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 8 left. 8 left. Can I take 6 away? I cannot take 6 away because I only have 3 10s. I only have 3 10s. So that means I've got to cash in my 100. And in my 100, I've got 10 10s. Because if I count by 10, I'm going to get 10 of them before I get to my 100s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my 10 10s. So I had to cash in my 100. So my 5 become a 4. And now I have 13 10s instead of 3 10s. And now I can take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 7 left. And then I take away 2 hundreds. And I have 2 hundreds left. So that's how I get to my answer. Let's try one more on the sheet of paper. And we're going to go with, let's see, 632 minus 347. Alright. Let's see if you're correct. Alright. So you should have drawn 600s. I'm going to draw them smaller this time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But they're still squares, so I know what they are. And then I've got 3 10s, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And I've got 2 1s. So I've got 2 1s. So it's 632. Now I asked myself, this is my whole, and I've got to take away this part to get my other part, which is my difference, because it's subtraction. Now, do I have 7? Can I take 7 away down here? Absolutely not. That means I've got to unbundle this 10. And I have a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means that I took away 1 10 and I cashed it in. Now I've got 12 ones. So make sure to scribble him out. Now I can take 7 away. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have 5 left. Oh, sugar doodah. And now, can I take 4 hundreds away? Can't. I only have 2 hundreds. So therefore, I need to cash in 100. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that 100 is gone. And I have cashed in or unbundled 100. So my I only have 5 hundreds now. And instead of 2 10s, I have 12 10s. and then I take away 4. Because I always take away what is outside of my 10 frame first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 left over. See how easy it is when I use a 10 frame to be able to go 5, 6, 7, 8? That's the reason I use 10 frames. It gets me to my answer quicker. Alright, so we've got 8 down here. Now we need to take away 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds, and I have 2 hundreds left. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you will turn this paper in with your work plan. So make sure you get your name on it in case it doesn't staple good. And go ahead and use a stapler to staple it to your work plan so you don't lose it.